Thanks for joining us here at learnhowtodance.com. Katie and I here are doing some knee kicks. How you doing, Katie?
Good. How are you?
Good. All right, so let's go ahead and do a quick demonstration of this knee kick, and then we're going to break it down for you. All right, here we go. Let's break down these knee kicks. Okay, so we're going to start basic step forward. Let's do it together. And basic 2, 3, and 5, 6, and 7. All right, so after we hit that 7, what we're going to do, we're going 5, 6, 7. We're going to go and 1. Step forward on your left leg on 1. And we're going to start doing some knee kicks. First kick we're going to do is our right leg kicking behind our left knee for 2. All right, notice how we are having the nice toe point. We don't want to do the kicks like this. All right, so let's go ahead and do those first 2 counts. So basic step, 1, 2, 3. All right, first 2 counts, here we go. And 1 and 2. Make sure we're toe pointing, all right? Good, now we're going to step back on the right leg for 3. And now we're going to do that kick to the front and 4. Once again, every time we kick, we're going to make sure we toe point. So the reason we call it knee kicks is because each one is kicking up to the height and right in front of the knee. All right, so we don't want to come down. Okay, that we can also do that for shine, but for this shine, we want to make sure we kind of hit up to the knees whenever we do these kicks. So let's try that again, okay? We're going to do the first 4 counts. So 1 basic, and then the first 4. Here we go. Basic step, 1, 2, 3. Ready? Here we go. Knee kicks, and 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, so each count we're doing something different. We're going left leg, right leg, left leg. Always alternating those feet every other, okay? Let's go ahead and do that again. Nice and slow. 5, 6, basic. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, from here, now we're going to continue. So we're going to drop our left leg for 5 down on the ground. 5, hit that right foot to the knee on 6. So we're just repeating what we did. Back on 7, hit the left leg for 8. Now we roll right into basic step. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Good. So each time we're using each count, all our kicks are happening on the even counts to 2, 4, 6, 8. All right, so let's go ahead and do it real slow, okay? The full 8 count. So basic steps slowly. 1, 2, 3. Let's do our knee kicks. Ready? Here we go. Slowly and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic step. 5, 6, 7. All right, make sure we're toe pointing every time we do our kicks, okay? Now also, what we can do, we can make sure we're going to turn our body a little bit to angle to the right because we don't want to do the knee kicks and be like this, okay? That doesn't look cool, okay? So let's go ahead and turn our body to the right when we do our knee kicks. So let's try it again. Basic step, 1. All right, turn a little bit on 5, 6, 7 for 1. 1, 2. So our left shoulder is kind of hitting forward. 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Good. All right, let's do a couple more times. Remember, we're kicking on the even counts, making sure we toe point. Ready? Here we go. Knee kicks. Ready? And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic step. 5, 6, 7. All right, let's do it a couple more times with us. Here we go, basic. 1, 2, 3, 5. One more basic. All right, knee kicks. Here we go. And 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic. And stop right here. Now for the arms, you know, they kind of, you can play with whatever you want. So what I like to do the arms, I like to keep them nice and steady here. And when I'm kicking, okay, I have the same arm kind of going with the feet. Okay, so that's what we're doing kicking. If you want, ladies, you can kind of hit out on the styling, whatever you want. Okay, but for generic kind of arms, we're just going to keep them right here while we're doing those knee kicks. All right, let's do it a couple more times, and then we're all done. 5, 6, 7, and 1, 2, 3. One more basic with us. All right, let's try those knee kicks. Here we go. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basic 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last time, knee kicks. Here we go. 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Basic, and stop right here. All right, there we go. Thanks a lot. All right, thanks a lot, guys. Really easy knee kicks. Make sure we're toe pointing, all right, and really flicking those feet when we do those kicks. All right, guys, we'll see you next time.